How to go live on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on TechTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you the process of going live on TikTok. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. And let's get right into it. Before you go live on TikTok, there is one criteria that you need to match, which is you need to have at least 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. Once you have that criteria fulfilled, all you do is tap on the plus icon that you see on the bottom, and then on the bottom camera will be selected. You just scroll left and you'll see an option of live besides the template. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you wouldn't be able to see that live option. Once you tap on the live option, your live on TikTok will start. So that's the exact process of going live on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more content similar to this. Thanks for watching.